Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we explore the majestic symbolism of the eagle captured beautifully in a hand drawing. The eagle, with its powerful wings and keen vision, has long been a symbol of freedom, strength, and clarity. In this drawing, we see more than just an image, we see a representation of these profound qualities. As the artist's hand moves across the paper, the eagle comes to life. Each stroke of the pencil brings out the details, the sharpness of the beak, the intensity of the eyes, the strength in the wings. The process is meticulous yet fluid, capturing the essence of the eagle's spirit. Look closely at the eagle's eyes. They are not merely drawn, they convey a sense of purpose and determination. The artist's skill lies in infusing this drawing with the eagle's innate qualities of focus and vision. The wings, outstretched and powerful, symbolize the boundless freedom the eagle represents. In this drawing, the wings seem to almost lift off the paper, giving the eagle a dynamic presence. It reminds us the limitless possibilities and the heights we can achieve. The entire composition, from the detailed features to the poised stance, showcases the artist's dedication and understanding of the eagle's form and spirit. It's a celebration of both artistic talent and the natural world. The artist's hand, steady and deliberate, is a vessel for creativity and expression. Every line drawn, every shade added brings us closer to the final masterpiece. It's a dance between the artist and the subject, where each moment of creation is a step towards perfection. And here's it. Thank you for joining us in this artistic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel.